Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect cream top for your matcha. First, gather your ingredients: heavy cream, your preferred sweetener, and a milk frother or whisk. We'll focus on creating a stable, luxurious foam that elevates your matcha experience. This simple technique guarantees a consistently delightful texture and flavor, making your homemade matcha lattes feel truly special. Get ready to transform your daily ritual with this easy-to-follow guide. Now, let's prepare the cream mixture. Take 1/2 cup of very cold heavy cream and add 1 tablespoon of your chosen sweetener. Maple syrup, honey, or a sugar-free option like erythritol work wonderfully. The key here is using cold cream, as it helps achieve a thicker, more stable foam. Gently stir to combine the ingredients before moving on to the frothing step. This simple blend forms the base of your luxurious cream top. Next, it's time to froth your cream. Using a handheld frother, whisk the mixture for about 30 to 60 seconds. You're looking for a texture that's thick and airy, with soft peaks forming. Be careful not to overfroth, as this can make the cream too stiff and difficult to pour. The ideal consistency should be pourable, allowing it to gently float on top of your matcha. This step is crucial for that signature cream top. Finally, assemble your exquisite matcha latte. Gently pour the frothed cream over your prepared matcha, allowing it to create a beautiful, distinct layer. For an extra touch, you can lightly dust the cream top with a pinch of matcha powder. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also adds a subtle aromatic note. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, cafe-quality matcha at home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.